Once there was a master of bodywork. He spent 25 years studying all the different approaches and techniques to healing and touch. He learnt the most by consistently practicing on thousands of bodies, and over time he developed a reputation for helping people get in touch with old emotional traumas held in their bodies. He discovered that once people connected with these old traumas and released them, often in spectacular ways, then these people healed spontaneously. He discovered that healing was very natural for human beings and was not just the removal of unpleasant symptoms, but was a totally new way of perceiving life. The master bodyworker discovered that when we change at the level of our feelings, everything changes. The way we think, the way we view life, and even our relationships shift to a more holistic worldview. He also discovered that healing can happen in an instant with an unconditional touch. The master bodyworker was so excited at all his discoveries that he wanted to share them with the world. So he created a school for bodyworkers and spent many years training people in what he knew. But it soon became clear that he was missing something. No matter how much he poured himself into sharing his knowledge, his students struggled to integrate what he had mastered and make it real for themselves. It was deeply frustrating for him. He became obsessed with one question: can this even be taught? Do my students have to spend 25 years just like me to learn how to touch so that healing happens in the moment? Then one day, spontaneously in meditation, he was shown the answer to that question. OFT, Original Feeling Touch, and the two principles that guide OFT. Principle 1, it's touch that heals, not technique. Life has already touched us in the most supportive way we can imagine when we were in our mother's womb. The embryonic fluid supported us and nourished us and allowed us to grow and evolve. It's natural for the fluid to support the baby unconditionally. It's life supporting life. The master bodyworker intuitively knew that this is how Jesus healed, as he knew he was one with life. It's my Father in heaven who heals, not me. In OFT, we touch the spine and transmit to the nervous system the original memory of life supporting us. Often, just this simple 30-minute unconditional touch along the spine releases so much stress and old trauma from the body. It's amazing and humbling to observe, and even more amazing to receive OFT. Principle 2, the innocent hearts of all therapists and bodyworkers. Everyone who studies the art of healing and touch wants to be creative, wants to see that they are a part of life and that their presence and support makes a difference for another human being. It's such a beautiful impulse. The paradoxical thing is that by removing all personal intent and technique from our touch and becoming one with life, we see that the life force within is spontaneously healing and is always encouraging our joy, happiness, and evolution. OFT is truly revolutionary and very simple to learn. Many people share that OFT is the deepest relaxation that they have ever experienced.